Hey guys, welcome to Cars and Collectibles. In today's video, we are going to be doing a Hot Wheels case unboxing. So this one is box number J. So let's go ahead and get started with this. The regular treasure hunt for this case is the Chrysler Pacifica, and the super treasure hunt is the Porsche 356 Outlaw. So let's go ahead and get started with opening the case. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull right off the top. So starting off on the very top, we have a 1982 Dodge Rampage. This is the regular version of the Porsche 356 Outlaw. So this is the one that we want to find the super treasure hunt for. And then we have Lethal Diesel. Next three off the top here. We have the 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bug. This is the tuned version. We have the Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels edition. And you can see it's the Moon Eyes. A lot of people love that. It's definitely one to hold on to. And the Falcon Racing livery 1969 Copo Camaro. Next three, we have the Jaguar Xe Sv Project 8 in a nice black. And there is the regular treasure hunt for this case. It's the Chrysler Pacifica. So you can see that it has the little treasure hunt logo right there. Let's see how close this will get. And then behind the car, I don't know if you can really see it very well, there's going to be the little treasure hunt logo right back there on the card. And then another 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bug. Next three, we got the Clip Rod, which that's actually a money clip if you didn't know. Got Hot Wheels Formula Solar, and a Blade Raider. Next we have Ain't Fair, which is a kind of like a city bus. It's kind of cool. There's even a little bicycle in the front. I saw it on the picture right there. We have the 06 Pontiac Gto. So in the last case, this was actually like a burnt orange color. So I really like it in blue. And then we have a 1971 Datsun 510. And this was the super treasure hunt for the last case. So if you guys had an opportunity to pick that up, that's pretty awesome. But this is just the regular version. Next we have the Lanza Delta Integral. It's got the little Michelin logo on there. It looks pretty cool with the yellow wheels. It's like a little rally style. We have a 1968 Mustang, and it's the tuned. And another Ain't Fair. Next three cars, we got a 2016 Ford GT Race. It's the Borla livery in black. In the last case, it was actually in silver. So this is kind of cool having one of each now. We got a Driftinator. It's kind of like a clear orange. It's kind of cool. And then we have the Porsche 935. In the last case, we pretty much saw the same thing with the Urban Outlaw, the Magnus Walker theme, except it had gold wheels, and it had a blue trim with a blue bottom, and then the hood was red. So this one's kind of like a reversed version of that one. So that's pretty cool. Next we have the Turtle Shell. So this is actually modeled after a real-life turtle that has leg issues where his legs kind of stick up in the back. So somebody made little wheels for him, and he kind of rolls around, uses his front arms, and then has like little like skateboard wheels. So that's really cool. I was actually looking forward to seeing this, but you can see it's pretty cute. We have a Carbonator in a new color. It's kind of like almost like a cotton candy color with the blue and pink. The tail is a bottle opener. I actually do use one of these to open bottles every now and then. And then we have the 2017 Ford GT. This is the Now and Then. In the last case, we saw the Ford GT40 with the same exact livery, so this is the newer version. Next, we have the 1994 Audi Avant Rs2. We have a 1970 Chevy Camaro RS. It's actually like a nice color scheme with the orange with the white stripes. I think it looks pretty good. Then we have a Bmw M3 Gt2, which this one actually It has a lot of weight to it compared to a lot of the other cars. It's got that giant wing on the back, and it's also die cast as well as the whole body. And when the light hits it, it kind of has like a almost like a pearlescent look to it. Next we have the 1987 Dodge D100. This actually looks, I think, really cool. It's like a little rally kind of trophy truck style. It's lifted up, and I kind of like that one. Then we have the new custom Ford Bronco. We just saw the new one in the last case with the brand new Ford Bronco body style, and it's kind of like a little throwback to the old school. Also, it's part of the then and now, so you have the original and the new one. And then we have the Batman Batmobile. This is finished in a kind of like a black chrome in a way. It kind of looks like regular chrome. Some angles it's really dark. As you can see, the picture on the back is black. So that's kind of interesting. Next three, we got another Blade Raider. Got another Turbo Shell. And we have the Porsche 993 GT2. This is actually one that I've been waiting for. It's really exciting to see this in this nice, beautiful red with some gold trim. This is one of my favorite Hot Wheels, actually, so I'm really happy about getting this, and this is definitely going to get set aside for sure. I'm definitely going to keep this one in the package. And then we have another Lancia Delta Integral. We have a Mattel Dreammobile. We saw this before in a red color. Now it's this kind of like lime green. It's kind of a cool color scheme. And then we have a Heavy Hitcher. And this is actually in a really nice blue with a little bit of yellow. Kind of matches my car right there with the blue and yellow. So that's kind of cool. Go ahead and remove the cardboard in the back of this. Alright, so we got another Batmobile in that chrome. We have this Pandem Widebody 2020 Toyota GR Supra, which this looks really cool. This is a brand new casting with the Pandem Widebody on it. We should also be seeing the Lamborghini Huracan coming out soon. It's also the widebody, but this is a really nice casting. And then we have a 1989 Mazda Savannah Rx7, which this looks really good. Got the white on white, got the white paint, white wheels. Got a lot of detail there in the back with the writing. It says Mazda Rx7. We got another one of the Porsche 993 GT2, so I'm really excited about that. Got a Honda Civic Si in nice black paint. And then another custom Ford Bronco. Got another one of the Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels Edition. We got Bot Wheels, which is in a nice kind of gold chrome look. That's kind of cool. We got another 2017 Ford GTs. Oop, there we go. Got another carbonator. We got a Rocket Oil Special. It's kind of like the Hot Wheels Arch series. And we have a Surf's Up. Card on that one's actually kind of damaged there. We got a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. This is actually a really nice casting. Got the classic looking writing there on the back fender. Got that yellow with the black stripes. I actually really like that color scheme. Got another one of the Bmw M3 Gt2s. And another 1987 Dodge D100. Another Rocket Oil Special. We got a Donut Drifter, which is kind of a cool color on this one. We keep seeing these pop up in different cases from time to time. And we got a Hot Wheeler, or Hot Riler. As you can see, there's like the teeth in the front, because like a dog. So, I mean, that's kind of cool. Got a 1969 Chevelle. It's kind of like a clear red. Got another Driftnator. And we have Surf and Turf, and this is actually in a nice white. We did previously see this year in a Zamac, but it has popped up in quite a few different colors recently. So we got a Surf and School Bus. This is actually like a really nice blue, kind of like that color combo with the blue and white. Got the waves on the side. Got another 1971 Datsun 510. And another Porsche 935. Got another Donut Drifter. Another 1969 Chevelle. And a Hot Wheel Formula Solar. Ooh, this is a nice casting. A Mercedes-Benz 500E. Actually looks really nice. Got a lot of attention to detail there on the grille. It's finished in black. Got another heavy hitcher. And a head gasket. The previous one on this had a red helmet. We have a 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe in a very nice, kind of pretty purple. I kind of like that. The way it reflects the light actually looks really good. Got another, the Batmobile in that kind of chrome-ish color. And then we have a 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor in like a nice gray. And then to finish off the case, we got a 1980 El Camino. This is from the Hot Wheels Arts. It's kind of like a bright, bold, kind of flashy colors and shapes. We got another 2020 Toyota GR Supra with the Pandem wide body. So it's a nice casting. And to finish up, we got a Surf and School Bus. Alright guys, so I did highlight a few of my favorite cars right here from this case. I mean, we got the 3 Porsches right across there, especially the 356 Outlaw. But also got the Treasure Hunt and then the Ducati with the kind of like the moon eyes kind of logo on it. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can keep helping out my channel. I can feature all kinds of cool, crazy, awesome stuff, especially more unboxing videos in the future. So definitely like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.